Hey guys, you guys already know I'm trying to go to Qatar, trying to watch all these games, but today I got a super bad news for you guys. You saw my last video, I said submitted 24,000, that's right, 24,000 for tickets, including the World Cup final, going to Qatar 2022, and I was submitted a wire transfer, right? If you guys don't know what a wire transfer is, if you guys can Google it, but a wire transfer is simply submitting a deposit to another bank via electronically, right? Through your computer, you submit it, and it's not actually using a credit card or a debit card, right? It's just transferring from one bank to another bank, right? So I did that, and if you guys don't believe me, I got proof right here. So I got proof. I got submitted 24,000, but bad news is that I actually got it refunded. That's right. I tried it 2 times. I got it refunded. I don't know why. I keep calling my bank. I keep calling the help center from Qatar, the one submitting the FIFA, hospitality.fifa.com, and no one's able to help me. I call my agent, hey, James Horton, how do you help me out with this? And he says, you know what, just ask for the credit line increase and you might be all good. Or try to wire transfer again, right? I tried it again. I don't know what to do, and just thought I'd make a video about it, explaining how wire transfer works, right? So trying to show off a little bit, but $24,000 submitted right there. It says Qatar. But as of now, it hasn't worked, and I just got it refunded, right? I tried calling my bank. They say you can't get a credit line increase. No credit card is able to do that. I call my bank account where I have all my money. I can't get it increased. It's a limit for $10,000 only, and this is $23,150, right? As you guys can see the paper right there, $23,150, and then it's transferred to Qatari. So if you guys want to know how much is it in Qatari, it's 82,208.81 Qatari Rial, right? It's just right there on top. That's how much difference it is. Difference from USD to QAR, from US dollars to Qatari dollars in Qatar. But it's not working. I put my checking account right there. I have enough money to cover this. And then this is a one-time thing. I was super excited. I had made a video. I was super happy about it. But it's not working, right? I went to the bank again. Got it refunded probably like a couple of days after. The second time, so from that video you guys seen, I submitted another wire transfer and I got it refunded again, right? So it kind of sucks, right? Not sure what to do. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Hopefully, I'm gonna keep calling the agent, James Horton, one of the best one. He's hooking me up with the tickets, and he's giving me advice on how to actually pay for the tickets, right? Might have to get a new credit card. By a couple, I opened one already and asked for a credit line increase, and it didn't work. I might have to open a new one in a different bank and ask for a credit line increase that covers $25,000 at least, because this is 24,000, right? And just so you guys know, I did submit all the information right. This is the paperwork that they give everybody in hospitality when you're trying to do a wire transfer. Submit it to Qatar. As you see, the logos right here, super cool. The stamp right there, super cool, and you got all information right there, right? Super excited. I saw this match hospitality, one of the best things I ever did in my life. Buy them, and I did the wire transfer just so you know, like where is it at, right? I mean, what kind of information is that, right? So when you submit a wire transfer, you gotta submit all these information, right? You submit everything. It's a Swift code. You get the Swift code. It appears right there automatically. You put the address, just like anything else, and you fill out all information in the boxes. It's super simple. They charge you actually if you go in the bank. Actually, they charge you about like $25 extra just for a wire transfer. That's the ones they charge me. But as you guys see, it got refunded, right? I will show you my bank account, but I'll just show you this paper letting you know it got refunded, including the $25 for the transfer, which is a good thing. But like I said, everything got refunded. Now you only get like 30 minutes to cancel this wire transfer, so you guys ever do. I mean, that's how it works. But as you guys can see, I'm not lying, $23,000 was transferred, right? So I'm trying to get there, right? I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to get to Qatar to watch the World Cup final because I got 7 tickets in total, right? I think 6 tickets in total. I actually got like probably 15 tickets in total because I ain't going to group matches. I'm super excited. There's extra events going, museums, food, everything's discounted for people that go to the World Cup, and travel on the bus is completely free, right? So I'm trying to go there. It's gonna be best travel ever. And not to mention, Qatari is much more than US dollars, right? You saw the difference? US dollar 23,000, Qatari $80,000, right? Now it might increase again because I mean there are a lot of tourists going, but everything's super low, super cheap, and I heard I could do a lot of things with a little bit of money, right? But that's my update. You know, I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully, I didn't bore you with this video. But if you guys have any advice, drop it down in the box. Drop a comment down below. Maybe you help me out. But as of now, I'm gonna keep calling the bank. I'm gonna keep trying again. Maybe try another wire transfer. Maybe I missed a digit, or maybe I forgot some information they haven't given to me. But like I said, I'm gonna make a future video talking about the group matches that I already got certified, talking about my flights, hotels, and maybe, I don't know, any other extra things, extra events that I can receive emails from Qatar. So it's super awesome, right? Hopefully I get this hospitality. Why? Because it includes the semifinals, both of them, and the final, right? Super awesome 3 matches. Not only that, but also I got quarterfinals, right? So I got those 3 quarterfinals. Super awesome. I showed you guys last time in my last video, and I hope you guys stay tuned and subscribe and hit the like button, because I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna do the best thing I can to actually get there and get these tickets. And if you need any help, watch these videos, because you might learn from it, right? Anything else, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button. I got super discounts for you guys, and especially I got more videos on the road to Qatar, right? Thanks.